We live in a world that is developing at a quick pace, and it requires an individual who can match this pace and deliver world-class projects without hindering the quality.
गुरु पुनानी शुरू करने के टाइम में मकसद एक ही था कि भी कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन के हिसाब से ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी और क्वालिटी वर्क, और वही विजन लेके हमने गुरु पुनानी प्रॉपर्टीज कंपनी को 2019 में शुरू किया।
We believe in having a transparent and clear relationship with our customers, and this quality is also reflected in our logo, which is a take on flower lotus. Lotus denotes transparency and it talks about our no hidden costs policy. We are also about clarity, where we are always crystal clear about our goals and communication towards the customers.
Our motto is to see clear title to the customers so that they shall not enter into any legal problem in future.
Purity fuels our values and also our lives at Guru Pumwani. Our trust lies in transparent integrity to help individuals prosper, forming an unbreakable alliance with customer-oriented approach.
We work on business income generation strategy with the customer or retentions to achieve the highly consumer base as also ultimately its financial goal.
We at Guru Pumwani look into every compliances of accounts, be it GST, TDS or anything else. In future, there is no obligations in part of our customers or the company.
We offer plotting projects with amenities that are best in class and at the best prices.
We usually provide the parks which is well planned and well themed. We provide the basic amenities like water line, sand line, overhead tank and STP.
Our strategy to focus on just one facet of the business and not divert has given us the luxury of time and an unending plethora of energy to deliver nothing but the best.
In terms of IT transformation and automation, we have recently migrated our sale process to the cloud-based application developed by ITN Strategic ERP that enhances the way we do business in less effort and time.
We are trying to revolutionize the industry with the groundbreaking concepts and themes to market our all projects. Our sales process is very lucrative and no additional charges and is affordable to all the segments.
We are slowly but steadily changing the game and also aiming for a better future. We aim to be the most trusted and reliable real estate company, providing exceptional service and expert guidance to our clients through expertise and precise planning.
आज कंपनी 8 प्रोजेक्ट पर एक साथ काम कर रही है, जिसके अंदर रेसिडेंशियल प्लॉटेड प्रोजेक्ट भी है, इंडस्ट्रियल प्लॉटेड प्रोजेक्ट भी है और बहुत ही जल्द फार्मिंग प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट भी शुरू करने वाली है, और हमारा एक विला प्रोजेक्ट भी जल्दी शुरू होने वाला है। गुरु पुनानी के साथ में जुड़े हुए हर इंसान की खुशी का गुरु पुनानी ध्यान रखती है, और यही गुरु पुनानी के सक्सेस का मूल मंत्र है।
The jewels of the development in the crown of Guru Pumwani are Eka. As we move away from the bustling traffic of Hosur and move towards the calm of Anekal, we come across the 50 acres of BMRDA approved land on Anekal Hosur Road. Eka offers plots with excellent water and electrical connectivity to their customers. The location also offers a lavish 10,000 square feet clubhouse and 30,000 plus plantation in the project. Exotica, South Bangaluru's first Mediterranean-themed villa plots. As we move away from the bustling traffic, a transition away from civilization into the land of greens, we reach Exotica. Exotica is a STRR-approved collection of Mediterranean-themed plots spread over 11 acres of space. People can enjoy 8+ Mediterranean amenities. Eternia, passing RR Nagar Metro Station, Gopalan Mall, and Gnana Bharati Metro Station, this property is close to 10+ schools and colleges and the Bangalore-Mysore Express Highway. Challaghatta Metro Station and Nice Road are accessible in 10 minutes from the property. Eternia is a land of 10 acres of plotted development that offers a lavish 10,000 square feet clubhouse and 15+ other amenities. Eureka, taking the road from RR Nagar, crossing the Nice Road junction, you reach the Kumbalgodu Industrial Area Phase 1, and Eternia, the same road that connects you to the town of Bidadi. Not much far from Bidadi, you have Dharapura connectivity, where you will find Eureka. BMRDA and RERA approved 228 plots spread across 16 acres based in Greater Bangalore. Eureka offers a moonlight garden, palatial amphitheatre, basketball court, sunset viewpoint, kids wonderland, 24/7 security, a gym, and elegant plantations so that you can experience regality and peace at the same place. Industrial Estate Phase 1, Gateway to Industrial Excellence. Passing RR Nagar Metro Station, Gopalan Mall, and Gnana Bharati Metro Station. Taking a left before Gurukul School after Kumbalgodu Industrial Area. In 200 meters, we come across Guru Pumwani's Industrial Estate Phase 1 industrial land that is ready to construct industrial conversion project with over 10 acres with RCC road, individual water, sewage connection, and overhead cable electricity facility throughout the land. Industrial Phase 3 in Mysore offers industrial conversion with e-Katha that provides individual water and sewage connection and overhead electrical connection for each plot in 40 acres. The location is selected as close to Bangalore-Mysore Express Highway. Ekadanta Estate, a farming project spread over 40 acres, Guru Pumwani is offering farm plots in Gunthas. The project is located close to Gauribidnur city situated on the outskirts of Bangalore. With more than 23 lakh plus square feet of land delivered and another 35 lakh plus lands ready to be delivered across 22 plus locations, Guru Pumwani has made over 2,000 customers happy.